Paris has an endless list of tourist attractions. The streets and establishments themselves are enough to take the visitor's breath away. Aside from being the capital city of France, Paris is also its most populous city. Its location along the Seine River is in the northern region of central France. The origin of the name Paris was from the Celtic Parisi tribe, the early inhabitants of the city. Paris is known for the charming cobblestone streets leading to the city's many historical landmarks. As of January 2020, the population of Paris is at 11 million. Paris covers a total area of 105 square kilometers. Around this cements starting at the heart of the city, then forming a spiral snail-like fashion. In terms of fashion, Paris is the only city that exhibits haute couture shows. The walk from Paris's north down to its south is a 135-minute trek. In Paris, the population of dogs seems to exceed the number of children in the city. The Eiffel Tower has 1,665 steps. It is the most valuable landmark in Europe with an estimated worth of 435 billion euros. Paris streets may have traffic lights, but it has zero stop signs. The Louvre Museum in Paris keeps 4,06,000 pieces, of which only 35,000 are available for public viewing. It would take 35 days for a guest to see every artwork in the museum for only 30 seconds each. Paris is home to 173 museums and 1,803 monuments. The world has 38 cities named Paris, some of which are in Panama, Sweden, and the United States. The streets of Paris cater to an average of 10 commercial or film shoots per day. Of the 10 Statues of Liberty in France, 5 are located in Paris. Paris served as the setting for 110 movies and 161 reelers. The Seine River cuts Paris into two islands. On opposite sides of its banks are the El Saint Louis and the El de la Caite, with the latter being the larger side. These parts make up the oldest portions of the city. Paris has around 6,100 streets. The longest one is the Rue de Vaugirard at 4.3 kilometers or 2.7 miles. On the other hand, Rue des Daggers of the second arrondissement is the shortest at 5.75 meters. Paris is home to 450 parks and gardens. The green the greens takes up above 485 hectares of the city's area. Among them, the most famous is the Luxembourg Garden and the Tuileries Garden. Around 484,000 trees stand on the soils of Paris. Each one of them is kept under documentation, complete with their measures and references. The 16th arrondissement has two zip codes. Due to the large area that it covers, this municipal district became the only Paris arrondissement to have such. The numbers are 75016 and 75116. All 20 arrondissements of Paris had different names in the past. Paris train stations usually have dozens of pianos. Metro Express Regional Defense Italy was supposed to be the name for the Paris train system. However, it would result in having the initials MERDE, which literally translates to shit. This realization had the name ending up to be the Rusio Express Regional. Paris has around a dozen ghost stations. One of them is Port Molitor, which is 97 years old, while the original plan for the station was to reach the Parc des Princes Stadium. The tracks only serve as the train garage today. Another one is the Porte des Lilies, which production companies could rent as a film set. The Paris Metro ranks as the world's fourth largest public transport system. It is made up of 302 stations. Every Paris metro stop has a particular historical theme. Each name used and style present on the stops hint a clue of the area's past. The only stop named after a female is the Louise Mitchell, a Parisian anarchist from the late 18th century. Another remarkable station is the Art and Military Station. Every year, the Siena banks become covered in sand for 4 weeks. This phenomenon spans from July to August, turning several kilometers of the river into a vast beach. Alongside the package are palm trees, bars, and sun loungers. The Flame of Liberty statue was a gift to the French from the Americans. Standing next to the Pont de Alma, the gift symbolizes the friendship between the two nations. The International Herald Tribune sent the statue of the capital in 1987. Les Miserables author Victor Hugo lived in the 16th arrondissement of Paris. The particular road of his residence was named after him.